Welcome back to our science class. In this new term, I am very happy to meet you all. I hope you are all ready to listen the class. Before that, how many of you have attended the exam? Term 1 exam? Very good. You have attended your exam very well and you have submitted your papers. Then we are entering into the next term. This is our second term. Till your first term, you have learned 4 chapters, right? About plants, about matter, reproduction, life cycle, etc. etc. Now you are in new term. Before we enter into this new term, new chapter, I am going to show you some pictures. I will show some pictures. You have to find what are they. It's very easy. If you find all, you can understand clearly what is our today's topic, right? So shall we see? Come. What is this? Hand. Next, what is this? Legs. Can you find what is this? Yeah, very good. Lungs. Then this one? Stomach. Then this picture shows? Yeah, very good. Kidney. Very good. You all answered very well. You found all the organs I have showed. Hand, leg, head, nose, tongue, teeth, leg. Then many internal organs such as stomach, lungs, liver. And you have found all the organs correctly. So shall we clap for ourselves? Yes. So now can you say what is our topic today? What is the next topic we are going to start? Yeah. Our body organ systems. We are going to learn about our body. So all of you stand up. What is this? Head. What is this? Nose. What is this? Hand. In our body, we have many organs. Hand is an organ. Nose is an organ. Ear is an organ. So we have many organs. Our next chapter is organ systems. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some organ systems. Before entering into our organ system, we are going to learn about our systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system. These are the systems we are going to learn. Before entering into the systems, you have to know about some terms. What is the thing from which our body is made up of? Consider your house. It is made up of bricks, right? Bricks, cement, many things. Like that, our body is made up of some organs, cells, tissues, organ systems. So, the terms used in this organ system we can learn today. The first one is cells. Consider a house. It is made up of bricks, right? The bricks will be arranged like this to construct a house. Like that, this is the smallest unit of the house. This is the basic and smallest unit of a house. Like that, our human body is made up of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Consider these are the cells. This is a cell and this is another cell. This is another cell. So the smallest unit of our body is cell. Then the group of cells. This group together called tissues. They are called tissues. So this group is called tissues. The smallest unit, the single unit is called cells. Then the group of cells together called tissues. Now the tissues. Some group of tissues. You group like this the cells into tissues. Now this group of tissues combines to form organs. This all tissues combines to form an organ. Now consider you are having mouth. Mouth, right? Mouth is an organ. The organ will be formed using group of tissues. Inside that tissues, the single unit, the smallest unit is called cells. Then the mouth. Next, tongue. Consider you are eating. You are having the food. You are taking using your hand and putting in the mouth. Then it will enter into the digestive tract. Then into the stomach. Then into the intestine. Small intestine, large intestine. This is a system. From mouth to anus it is called digestive system. That is called organ systems. When you consider an organ system. Same example, digestive system. The organs in that particular system are mouth, digestive tract, stomach, intestines. Small intestine and large intestine. So, these organs will combine to form this organ systems. Again you consider some organ system, respiratory system. You are breathing through your nose, it is entering into the lungs and the oxygenated blood is carried throughout the body. This is something respiratory system. Like this organ system, many organ systems combines to form a human body. Now start from here. Our human body is made of many organ system. This organ system is made of many organs. These organs are having many tissues. The tissues are having the cells. The cells are the smallest unit of our body. Clear? Understood all these terms? Once again I will repeat. The cells are the smallest unit of our body. Cells combines to form tissues. Tissues combines to form organs. Organs combines to form organ systems. All the organ systems are combined altogether called a human body. Now you have completed just the introduction. Then what's our heading is our body organ systems. I said many organ systems combine together to form the whole human body. So in organ system many organs are there. For example, when you consider this excretory system, what is performing excretory system? Kidney, then the urinary bladder. These are the organs which will come under the excretory system. So in this organ systems, many organ systems are there in our body. In this chapter you will be learning about 4 systems: excretory, circulatory, respiratory and digestive system. These are the organ system. In each system many organs will be included. So what are the systems we are going to learn? Digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system and excretory system. What is there in digestive system? Yeah, the food we eat enters into our body and undergoes digestion. It is broken down into smaller pieces and the energy is absorbed. The unwanted waste are given out as excretory wastes. Then respiratory system. The air enters into our body. The lungs accepts the air and it will take the oxygen into our body and gives out the carbon dioxide. Circulatory system. The blood is pumped by the pumping organ called heart. It is traveling throughout our body using the veins. Excretory system. The kidney is accepting the blood. It is purifying the blood and the urine is given out as waste. The excretory system is cleaning our blood. So, this is the short description of these systems. From our next class, we are going to learn one by one about all these 4 systems. First, we will learn digestive system in the next class. Next, respiratory system, circulatory system and excretory system. I hope you are all clear about today's class. What we have learned in our today's class about what is a cell? It is the smallest unit of the body. Then, what is a tissue? Cells combines to form tissues. What is a organ? The tissues combines to form organs. Then organ systems. Organs will be combining, 3 or more organs will combine to form an organ system. All this organ system will combine to form a human body. This is all about our today's class. I hope you are all clear about our today's class. By this we will end our today's class. We can meet in the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.